Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney that specializes in helping people who've been injured at work with their workers' compensation claims. I'd like to talk to you today about what it costs to hire an attorney. This is a question that a lot of people have. They want to know if it's going to cost them a lot of money. They got to pay money up front, a retainer or something like that. Because a lot of people, after they've been injured at work, they're making less than they did before. Even if they're getting workers' compensation benefits, it's only a percentage of what they earned before they got hurt. Their claim's been denied, they're not getting paid anything, and so hiring an expensive attorney would be something that they think would be difficult for them. I'm happy to tell you that it's not going to cost you any money up front if you wanted to hire me in your case. I work on what's called a contingency fee contract. What that means is you only pay me money if I get something for you. The contingency fee that I work on is what's called a 25% contingency fee. And what that means is if I'm successful in getting weekly workers' compensation benefits for you, or if you decide to settle your case and I end up settling your case for you for an amount that you're satisfied with, then you would pay me either 25% of the weekly benefits if I got those for you, or 25% of the settlement amount. If you hire me on your case and I don't get you any money, then you don't pay me anything. And any time that you pay me in a workers' compensation case, it's only going to be if the work that I've done has gotten you the money that you've received. Let's take an example. Let's say that you came in to hire me and you were already getting weekly checks from workers' compensation and I didn't do anything to get those for you. You're not going to pay me a percentage of those weekly checks just because you decided to hire me on your case. Anytime I take a fee in a workers' compensation case, it has to be something that's approved by a judge at the State Board of Workers' Compensation. They look at what I've done on your case and then they tell me whether I can take a fee or not. Again, that's only if I'm successful in getting money for you. Also, when you hire me, you don't pay me anything out of the medical benefits that I may be successful in getting for you. For example, if we go to court and we get a judge to or the insurance company to approve the surgery that your doctor's recommending, or some other medical treatment, you're not going to pay me an attorney's fee out of that. You don't pay me by the hour to work on your case. It's only the percentage of benefits that I recover for you. Now there is one other situation, other cost that might be associated with hiring me to work in your case. And what that is sometimes there are expenses associated with your case, such as getting medical records from the doctors, or getting questionnaires completed, or the cost of a deposition or a hearing transcript. What I do in workers' compensation cases is as opposed to asking you to pay for those expenses as they're incurred, we go ahead and pay for those expenses. But then ultimately those are expenses that you pay back when we are successful at recovering money on your case, or when your case ends. So ultimately you are responsible for those, but you only pay what we paid for them. And again, we don't require that they're paid as your case goes forward. It's just at the end of your case that we collect that money back. We find that that's helpful to people because you don't have to worry about paying an expense on a case when you're drawing less money from workers' comp benefits. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. And if you'd like to be notified as I release other videos about workers' compensation, you can subscribe to this channel and you'll receive a notification like the one for my upcoming video about changes in workers' compensation law. If you've got any questions, please feel free to visit our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, or just call me and we'll be happy to schedule a free consultation with you. My phone number is 770-214-8885. Thanks for watching today, and best of luck to you as you recover from your injury.